channel once again. So in today's video, I am going to show you another crypto mining app. The name of this crypto mining app is KIVA. So as you can see on your screen now, you can see how the mining is taking place. Under here you can see my invitation code. For those of you that will need invitation code, this is the invitation code here. You copy it when you are doing your registration so that you can be able to have access to this app. This particular mining is strictly by invitation, so make sure you copy this code here and use it to register. Now you can see my balance over there. Mining, it takes a long time to mine one KIVA. You can see the halving graph here. You can see the halving graph. So it's very difficult to mine this particular airdrop. So I'm going to drop the link of this airdrop in the video description or on the comment section so that you can click on it and download the app and start mining this particular airdrop. At the top here is my wallet address, then here is my profile. When you click on this side, this is my profile. You can see the total number of coin that I have. You can see the withdrawal. Nothing is on the withdrawal for now. This is my wallet address. This is on the withdrawal side. Then you can see the invitation code here. So make sure you copy that invitation code. That is what you need to be able to open this app. Then if you want to mine this particular airdrop, or you just come to this green, you click on this green button and then you continue mining. You can see if I click on it, it will bring out increased bonus. You can see it there. So every 24 hours you come to this place and click on the green and continue mining. That is how you can mine this airdrop. Then you can come here and also read their white paper, and if you have any question or any question that you need clarification, you can check on their FAQ. You can check on their FAQ. You can see some of the questions they've answered it there. So that is how this mining app is. So if you want to download this app, all you just have to do is to go over to their Twitter account. Remember, I said I would drop the link of this particular airdrop on my video description or in the comment section. So you can also go to their Twitter account and check their page. This is their Twitter page. So you just go there, check their page. For those of you that will be downloading it from their platform, this is their Twitter page. You click on this kivanet.com. You click on it. When you click on it, it's going to take you to their website with the app. But I'm going to copy the app description. I'm going to the app link. I will drop it on the video description or on the comment section. For those of you that will just don't want to go through this process, you can simply click on the link and download the app and start mining. So this is their website. This is how their website look like. So if you come down, you can see Android app. Then you can see it there. Just click on it and download the Android app and start mining this airdrop. This airdrop has a lot of potentials. Like I said, go through their white paper. You will be able to understand what KIVA Network is all about. Remember, it's a Web3 project, and most of these Web3 projects are very good. So that is all about this particular airdrop. So make sure you subscribe to my YouTube channel because I'm going to be posting more airdrop on my YouTube channel. Thank you for watching this video. Bye.